Morning, Spike. It's good to have you.
Thanks, Lee. Good to be back here again. We're out in beautiful New York State here today. Today we're going to be looking at the EC and the hammer mill setup at LVM and just kind of looking at the transition that they've done from their MC machines going to the EC, and it's doing it all in one pass. So let's get started.
I mean, when we originally started looking at new grinders, I got what we bought out from a guy, but when we started looking at new grinders, we're looking for efficiency, we're looking for quality, we're looking for a machine that's going to do what we want to do. I mean, there's a lot of grinders out there that'll grind up logs and stuff, but we don't need that. And over the course of time, we figured out that Rotochopper builds the machine that we need to do what we want to do here. And I mean, the service on the Rotochopper has been very good.
The elaborate system came from many, many days of mistakes and trials. We started out with a horizontal grinder and a tub grinder. Then the efficiency was okay, but maintenance and trouble was a problem. So we did buy Rotochopper diesel grinders. We had one at first. We worked it, and it worked very good. Our business grew, and maintenance got to be less, so we purchased a second diesel Rotochopper grinder.
Quality of equipment is a big piece, but the service, is good too. I mean, if they're doing this, my only experience is in the pallet industry, and we have had really no trouble with Rotochopper as far as their equipment, their service, their response times. All of that has been good.
Rotochopper has been a good company, a very good company. Anytime that I have called either service or parts or the office, anything that I needed, they were there with the answers, the parts, and it's very important to have a company that's going to answer your calls and get products and parts out for you as soon as they can.
Growth is always something you work towards, so we've got equipment now that we can grind almost twice as fast as we were before, so that allows us to take in more raw material. It allows us to find more customers and eventually expand the footprint here. Maybe another building for more storage.
Rotochopper presented us with a system, a two-grinder system, an EC 366, which is a step up from the 266 that we are running, but it has a 350 horse electric motor, and that thing just turn the switch on and it just purrs. The thing grinds very efficiently. You don't have to lag down with the diesel motor or noise. It pretty much grinds into any size chip we would like. That continues over to the hopper that controls the feed on the RMT, the hammer mill, which does the finish grinding. The system is integrated, works flawlessly. I have not found really any downfall to the new grinder, the EC 366, or the RMT hammer mill. It's almost amazing to me, from a guy that's been fighting tub grinders and horizontals to grind wood for all these years, that a system like this can be made. And I guess it's technology and engineering by Rotochopper that makes it possible.